Hey, this is a video tutorial on how to create free iPhone ringtones. I personally have an iPhone 3G, I love it. I create many free ringtones because I hate the fact that you have to pay $2 per ringtone. They can only be from iTunes. Anyway, let's get back on topic. So to create a ringtone, just go into your iTunes, just go into your iTunes. So, iTunes. Select a song from your song library. Any song, it doesn't matter. It can be like, I know, like in the real ringtone stuff, when you just hit convert to ringtone, it costs $2 and you have to use a song from the iTunes store. This you don't have to. You can use any single song in the library. So select a song. I'm just going to choose Godzilla because it's a song that I don't have in my ringtones. As you can see, I've created many ringtones. So create Godzilla, and I highlighted it. I'm going to control click, which is you just hold down control while you click. Scroll down to get info. Then you're going to hit the options tab. You'll be here. Go to the options. You want to hit the start time. Really, you should have listened to it first and selected the start time. If not, you can go back. Set it to whatever you want. Since this is just a tutorial, I'm going to make it just 01. And the stop time, it should be around 20 seconds, as that's only, that's really the ringtone length. So, 1. Okay, so then you want to also, again, control click, select create AAC version. Alright, so select that. It'll convert it into the exactly 20 seconds that you want. Just like that. So then, I know this sounds a lot, but control, click it again, show in Finder. Alright, show in Finder. It'll be an M4A. So you want to make that to your heading in M4R. Oh, really quick, I forgot to do this in my last one. Make sure that is ringtone at the end of it before the .m4r. Just because I'm not sure. But then this can be whatever you want. Say, want to be this Godzilla. Simple. Ringtone with the capital R. That should be separated by a space from the song name. Once that's done, you want to hit enter. Then use .m4r. Alright, so here it is. And now you're going to want to take your ringtone, M4R, drag it into iTunes. It'll play. Well, actually, scratch that, I won't play because I did something that you didn't see. Not anything suspicious, just that I forgot to do something. I've done this in a while. You want to take your original copy of the, as soon as you drag in the .m4r, you want to take the original copy, the 20-second copy, delete that, move to trash, whatever, I don't care. Just make sure that you delete that or else it will not work. It won't go into your ringtones. You will not get that. Once it's there, you can just sync to your iPhone and it'll work. That is how to make free ringtones by MacAnonymous. Peace.